Hey guys, welcome back! So today's video is a luxury tag video created by the Liz Herrling. I'll link her channel down below. Yeah, so this tag was created by Liz Herrling. I'll link her channel down below. She's so hilarious, so funny. I've really enjoyed watching her videos. I've been binge watching them for the last few days. This tag was created by the hilarious Liz Herrling on YouTube. I'll link her channel down below. I've loved her pics, and I've also loved Tarina's, who is Luxe Handbag Lover, which I'm sure many of you guys know. Also, she'll be linked down below. Go to subscribe to those two if you haven't already. Before we get into today's video, I'd like to give like a special thank you to Tarina, Jess, Nicole, Liz, Caitlin, Cassie, and anyone else who's really supported me on my little journey. It really means so much, all your support and kind words. You guys have been really awesome and helpful. Yeah, it's been so lovely to get to know you guys over the last couple of weeks, and I'm really grateful for your support and uplifting comments and like tips and help and everything. Yeah, it means so much, guys. Thank you so much. So in this video, I'm going to do bags I don't have in my collection currently, but I absolutely would love them. So it's kind of like a mini wish list video, I guess, in a way. Leave me a comment down below if you guys want to see like my more in-depth wish list video of luxury items that I really want. So first up is summer. And now summer is, I'm going to do one of my holy grail bags, if not maybe my actual #1 of all time holy grail bag, which is the Louis Vuitton Dalmatian Sac Rabat bag. I'm not sure of the pronunciation, but here it is. So it's a multicolor in the noir, and it's got spotted pony hair on it, which I'm not sure how I feel about, but whatever. The Dalmatian print is just completely my vibe. I think this bag is incredible. All the detail on it, like the studs around the vachetta leather, and the stunning raspberry lining on the inside, and it's also microfiber, so it would just feel like so luxurious. What's really not to love with this bag? Maybe the pony hair, but it's from the early 2000s, so like, I mean, the pony's probably dead by now anyway. I don't know. Just call me Cruella de Sam, I guess. Yeah, so this bag is from like, I think 2004, from the iconic collaboration with Marc Jacobs and Takashi Murakami. Don't have any pieces from that collection yet, but like, I'm dying for something, and I feel like that might be what I end up getting one day. Well, I definitely will get it one day. When? I don't know. When I find one in good condition and that is available and not too crazily priced, which I have looked on like some pre-loved websites, like when I was researching for this video, and they actually haven't been going for too much. So it may be a lot closer than I thought if I find one available. And then next up is autumn. So I've decided to go with the Dior saddlebag in this blue python skin. Oh my god. This bag is like incredible. It's so unique, it's so cool. I feel like the blue on it is like amazing. It would go well with my Gucci Ace sneakers, I guess, kind of, with the blue snakeskin on the back of them as well. It's not too big of a bag, but just like the other one as well, but I don't really need too big of a bag like for my general usage. Like if you guys watched my Palm Springs mini review, you'd know like I don't carry too much generally. If you haven't watched it, I'll link that down below. You guys should definitely check it out. So this would be perfect. And it has this cool nylon strap that can be worn like over the shoulder or crossbody, or even as a belt bag if you wanted to. I probably wouldn't, to be honest. And yeah, can we talk about the clasp on this as well? Like so much incredible attention to detail on this bag. However, I feel like the price definitely would reflect that. I couldn't find any Australian pricing, but it looks like it's about 6,000 euros. So I'm kind of a bit far off paying 6,000 euros for a bag at the minute, but like, you never know. And then next, obviously, is winter, which I wanted to go with something a little bit bigger in case I wanted to carry something extra, like a scarf, or like if I wanted to put my jumper or something in if I'm inside and it's a bit warmer, you know, whatever. Just a little bit of extra room for winter. I'm weird like that. So I thought something really cool is the Chanel Gabrielle like backpack, which actually Jessie has, and I'll link her channel down below. It's so awesome. I would get it in the aged like black calfskin quilted leather with like, and it has like a mixed metal hardware, so it has gold and silver and ruthenium, and it has like a red interior as well, which, as you guys know, I love red. So yeah, it's so cool. It's such a vibe, and you can wear it like a multitude of different ways, and I feel like it probably would be pretty weatherproof as well with the like the crumpled lambskin. I mean, sorry, the crumpled calfskin, but yeah, I don't know. I just really I'm kind of vibing Chanel and Dior at the moment, so I kind of do want to jump into something, but I don't know. We'll see. You guys will have to keep tuned on my videos to see if I have an unboxing of something. And then next we have spring. So I want to go with the ever so popular and controversial Louis Vuitton multi-pochette accessoire with the car key strap. This bag has a lot of mixed opinions, as I'm sure a lot of you guys know, because of Louis Vuitton's like social media push on it. I personally love it. It's like 3 different pouches that you can interchange or wear them together or separate, or you know, you can really kind of do what you want with this bag, which I think is so cool. Yeah, and the big social media push that Louis Vuitton did with it kind of did get me suckered in, I'm not gonna lie. I don't really like the gold hardware and the vachetta trim on it, which I know my summer bag, the Dalmatian Sack Rabbit one, has, but I don't know, with that I could deal because it's like, you know, vintage and like classic, it's so iconic. Whereas this, I'm like a little bit more on the fence about that, so that's why I haven't pulled the trigger on getting one, because I have been thinking about it since they came out last September. But yeah, I don't think I would ever pull that trigger just because of those reasons I said. Yeah, so I do have something similar on order, so make sure you guys have the notifications on for when I do the unboxing video in the next couple of weeks, I hope. I've already been waiting a while, but what can you do? Yeah, so I'm just waiting for whenever that becomes available, lol. That's my 1 luxury bag per season tag video. Thank you guys so much for watching if you've made it this far. But yeah, if you've made it this far and you haven't liked and subscribed, what are you waiting for? I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.